Have you ever wanted to use a digital air fryer before?
We have.
Well, today we're gonna give you a review and unboxing of
the Gourmia 5-quart digital air fryer. What's up, everyone? Welcome back to Team Kello What? I'm Alex.
I'm Yonel.
If you're looking for a budget digital air fryer,
we have one for you.
It's right here. So the Gourmia 5-quart, Costco had it for like about $60.
Today we're gonna put this bad boy to the test. We're gonna first unbox it, and then we're gonna do something special for you guys. We're gonna do some French fries. I'm excited about that. Have you ever fried with air? Have you ever fried with air?
Some people fry with their breath. Not you, but anyways, right. So I can't wait to try it. I hear this is super healthy.
Let's open it up. Excuse me, can I do the honors, please?
Sure.
Thank you.
All right, so it has very little packaging.
So the first thing we have here is the manual.
Oil frying. All right, well, it's not too heavy. Okay, it's pretty light. It does take up a lot of space though.
But when you're frying
half a chicken or something,
there you go. You're gonna need the space.
The air fryer, it comes with its regular digital.
A digital panel.
I will keep the instructions this time since we've had issues with other items, such as the vacuum. Check out that video right there. Right here. We had a little bit of a problem opening it because we got rid of it too quickly. It comes with a user's manual guide, a cookbook.
Oh yes. The first thing that comes to my attention when I see the air fryer is this bad boy here, which I'm assuming is
it's a nice handle.
The
looks sturdy
holder. It really can't fit much in here, no?
No, I don't think you can fit like a whole chicken in there.
No.
So basically up here is the wiring, the frame. That's basically what creates the heat, and then the heat kind of runs because it has a fan or something. Runs.
So we have the little grill station here, which is where we place the items. But I do have a question.
Basically, you can put some items down here like the vegetables, things like that. Then you put this bad boy at the top, and then on here you put the chicken. You can put different things. So it basically has like two little separate containers.
So we're gonna do fries today, so that means we're gonna put the fries directly on the machine?
Yeah. Well, we're gonna have to look at this menu. I don't know. I mean, as far as the sturdiness, I think it looks decent. It looks like, you know, Star Wars, R2, whatever.
R2-D2.
R2-D2. Yeah, it looks like that. All right, cool.
Oh,
okay.
Whoa.
So we have action.
Whoa.
One of the things that I learned while I was looking at the box and reading it, you can set a timer for up to 30 minutes. So even if you're not gonna be home, it's supposed to have a sensor inside to keep things moist on the inside, yet crispy on the outside.
The base is actually the crisper, what they call on it. You can actually take it out to clean it. There's really nothing much that we need to show you other than let's get the fries.
Just get them. So the instruction manuals specifically say we do not add any oil, any fat onto the fryer or the surface of the fryer.
Set it and forget it.
French fries.
Vous parlez français, mais s'il vous plaît.
Yeah, je parle français et vous?
Oui.
Très bien, très bien.
Yeah, oui.
He knows zilch.
I know a little bit of French.
You cannot turn on the timer unless you have actually inserted this. So I guess it's a fail safety mechanism. You're gonna press the play button here. So it has two different scales. On this side, the timer actually lets you set the temperature. It has a little tiny thermostat, so you can set the temperature. We're gonna require and then on the other side, you set the timer. So it's supposed to be about 15 minutes for the French fries, okay? So we're gonna put about 15 minutes in.
Now, one more thing is here at the top, this menu here, this actually tells you what items you're going to be frying. So in this case, we're gonna be doing fries or bacon, fish, shrimps, steak, cupcakes. Cupcakes?
Yeah, so they do have a cupcake recipe.
Pizza, chicken. Read the owner's manual and the cookbook. It'll tell you what kinds of temperature you need for different kinds of food. Today we're gonna be doing French fries, and we're gonna have it at 400 degrees. So we are set to go. Let's put the French fries in We're gonna season it real quick.
So before that, we just want to mention that we added a little bit of cooking spray onto the fries because it requires some type of oil. We're gonna use a little bit of Pam.
That's it.
So now I'm gonna slide this out. I'm gonna take this out because we don't need it. Just throw it in there, bro. Obviously, we're not cooks.
We'll space them out. Fries are in.
There we go. All right,
It's
good.
in.
All right, so let's
Press the play again.
play. We're gonna set the temperature to 400. 15 minutes. Set it.
And forget it.
We're gonna come back at the end of frying process. I had an air fryer before a long time. It was a different one. It was like, what is that
It
called?
was a cheap one. He had the cheap air fryer.
I didn't know it.
Una porquería. I mean, no one really used it. What you?
I have it at home. I still use it.
I've never
We're not-
seen that air fryer.
I know.
He's never used it.
Why would I use it to cook for you? But anyways,
Wow.
let's get to
Wow.
work. It's not very noisy. There's a lot of heat coming from the back of the air fryer. This needs some space
Yes.
between the air fryer and the wall. I definitely recommend that.
It is recommended not to put anything on top of it because it needs to breathe through the air. So try not to put anything on top of the device as well. We are 9 minutes in.
We're gonna test it. I want to test it.
You want to open it? All right, we're gonna see what it looks like.
Not
Do
only
we,
what it
do we
looks
have to
like.
pause it first? We didn't know if we had to pause it. He may have
We
just
don't.
destroyed.
No, we don't. Wow, this
So far-
actually looks pretty good.
So far,
I
it's
wanted
good.
to see if it was gonna stop. So far the French fries look good. Let's take one out. Here, still needs cooking time, but it's
Yeah,
pretty good.
crunchy.
Put it back here. I wanted to see if it's going to continue where we left it off. All right, so let's see. Did it continue? Yeah, and
So
it did.
you can actually open it, right, while
Check.
it's cooking to check your foods, see how they look, and then once you put it back in, the digital knob remembers where it was, and it continues until it's done.
So it's starting to smell like things are almost done. So we want to do a quick check right now. It's about 10 minutes in. So let's pull out these fries. They're looking pretty good.
I think they're ready.
All right,
Good job, by the way. Awesome.
Thank you.
What we're gonna do today is we're gonna have a special taste tester that's gonna tell us how well we did this fries.
We did all the work.
You ready? On the count of three.
One, two, three.
Oh!
Dylan is here.
Oh!
Hey, what's up?
I'm doing great. Team
All right.
Kilowatt.
All right.
What? See,
Representing. So this is my nephew, Dylan, and he's going to help us out. So we want you to taste some of these fries and tell us what you think.
Do you think the product provided good fries compared to what you normally get?
I think the fries are
You want to step up?
decent.
Okay.
The fries are decent. Okay.
Fries are decent.
Good. So you like them?
Yeah. I think this was an epic win.
Okay, we got an epic win.
So what do you think out of 5?
I would definitely give it a solid 4.7.
Whoa. I had 4.7.
My only concern is the heating coming out in the back, and also the fact that it doesn't really fit larger items. Like if you're trying to fit a family of 4, this is probably not going to provide the space to make the burgers and all these other things.
I actually give it a 5.
Okay.
5 out of 5. I'm not concerned about the heat. We understand that heat has to come out somewhere. And as a father, you know, this actually helps me out because I can be inventive. So 5 out of 5 for me. Great product. If you want, you can get the bigger product, which they can sell.
They have like a 6 quart,
6 quart and stuff like that. So yeah, if you need bigger, you get a bigger. If you want
Yep.
smaller, you can get the smaller. But overall, 5,
4.7.
4.7. We're gonna round it off. 4.85.
Thank you. So don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And please leave a comment down below. Tell us what you think about the Gourmet air fryer or any other air fryer that you might be using. Let us know what you think.
Team
Kilowatt! I want to finish these fries. You can't have fries without ketchup, though.
Yeah.
This is horrible.
I love it.
Well,